Hello all, welcome to www.bspsolutions.com. In this series of planning tickets, today we are going to see the following tickets. So the first one is user tabby is unable to view data form. This is the name of the form, employee expenses. So user tabby is unable to view the data form. You can see second ticket also. This is also much related to the first one. User tabby can see the data form, but it is unable to input data into it. So if you see both the tickets, what is happening, there is some user in the application named as tabby, and tabby, he is not able to either view any of the data forms or any particular data form, as well as he's not even able to input the data. So now for solving such tickets, it is very important to understand the predefined roles in the application. So here I'll go to the application and we'll see the roles which is defined by EPM Oracle. This is the planning application and I have logged in as administrator, service administrator. In tools you will see access control. So here in the access control you can create users as well as you can create groups, and then you can give them the users, like these are the native users you have created, and here you can provide them the roles, what they are supposed to do. So this is user tabby, and right now tabby is not able to perform certain task. It is given in the ticket, tabby is not able to view the data form. There's certain data form which tabby is not able to view. So if you see here there are the groups. Basically these are user groups, user roles which are defined. This is out of the box. These predefined roles are there, provided out of the box, and they are designed to help manage access and functionality within this application. There are main 4 roles. Okay, first, service administrator, you can see here. Second is power user. Fourth is the user, which is here. It has been assigned to this user tabby, and the fourth one is viewer. Next, rest all here you can see super user, strategic planner, interactive user, analyst, which is given here. All these are custom created by the users who are performing various activities. So let's talk about the 4 out of the box predefined roles which is provided in the application. And here each role, service administrator, power user, user and viewer, each of these 4 roles, they have a specific set of permissions which is tailored to certain responsibilities within the application. If we talk about this service administrator, now he has full administrative access to the application. Some in the management, those who are at the top level like IT managers and you can say the CFOs and all those, they have the service administrator role, and whereby they can create, configure and manage applications. They can set up security including role assignments. They can also import or export data and artifacts. If we talk about next one, that is power user, these are those who have been provided advanced functionality for managing the processes, like they can manage data input and workflows. Then if we talk about user, now this tabby, he is user. So uh, they have got standard access for performing assigned tasks, like they can run predefined reports or participate in the workflows. Basically the people who do the work in the organization, the middle level you can say, who actually input the data, who run the reports, they are the users. Lastly we have viewer. Now as the name suggests, they are the viewers. They have read only access to the application. They can just view forms, dashboards and reports, or they can access data but without the ability to modify it. Generally the top management who just have to see the reports, review the report, budget, annual reports, and they do not have to input anything. They just want to view the performance of their organization through the various reports created, various dashboards created or infolets. They are the viewers. Now here if you see, tabby is a user, okay, and this is analyst. Basically this is I'm given this in this application. They have created one analyst also. So analyst is basically used to access the assignments for user. If this analyst would not have been there, we would have just provided user. So tabby is just user. Now let's see whether he is able to view the data form. So here we'll go to the data card, and there is one data form, employee expenses. This one, this is the admin mode we are viewing right now, okay. So here this service administrator, he can view this data form, employee expense, okay, and you can see the cell for entering the data. This is not grayed out. It means admin can even input the figures from here. Let's suppose 600 and save this. Okay, so data has been saved. 600 has been entered into the system in this POV created for this data form, that is employee expense data form. So now we are aware that admin can view as well as write. He has read and write ability, capacity provided for viewing this form. Now let's see if whether tabby, what is the situation with tabby. So here in another browser I have opened the same application and I have logged in as user tabby. Now tabby will go to data where all the data forms resides. And see this employee expense data form. Tabby can only view this data form right now because he has been provided the in the roles, he is the user, so he can right now only view this data form. If you see, none of the cells here are all the cells here are grayed out, so he is not able to input any of the figures. So we will close this, and to make tabby input the figures, there are we can do it in two ways. First we can change the first we have to change the roles over there, which is very important. So let's go to the admin's instance, and here under tools we'll go to access control, and we'll make this we will make tabby as will assign some more roles. He's right now just user, and he's not able to input. He can view the form. So this solves out the first ticket. He was not able to view the form because he was not provided any of the role. Okay, now this tabby, we have when this tabby is provided the role of user. Right now he has the role of user, so he's able to view the form. Now we will make him to input data also. So for that we have to give him the role of power user, and also this interactive user, this is created in the application, which will this is to give access assignment for power users. So we have given the we have changed the role and save this. Now we'll go to data form and provide write access to tabby. So here in the forms, this is our form, employee expense. Over here you can see assign access. So tabby, he has the access of read. Okay, we will give him the access of write and add it. Here now you can see user tabby has been given the access of write, that is he can input now the data. So now we'll again go to okay, this is the administrator, and here this is tabby, and if I see the data, this is the employee expense form, and now you see the cell has initially it was grayed out, now it is all in white. That means one is able to input the figure. This was 600, which was entered by administrator, service administrator. Now I will change it to 1000, and I will save this. Data has been saved. Now this is how we provide access for access to certain users who are denied from viewing certain forms, or input the data into certain data forms, or through the smart view. We can provide access by changing the roles that they have been given. This solves our first and second tickets are resolved. Now okay, third one, this is again a simple one. It says put application into admin mode. So here into this application. Now when you're managing Oracle PBCS, you might encounter such requests to put an application into admin mode. This basically involves switching the application between admin mode and user mode to uh, control access during maintenance or critical updates. This is I have logged in here as tabby, and what I will do is I will sign out. So right now users are not logged in. We will go to the administrator service administrators instance, and here under in the application cluster you will have settings. Now here you can see these settings. These are basically the you can say this is the settings by which how the system will perform. We fix that. All various sorts of settings are over here. How the system will perform and govern the activities, that is decided over here. Now here you see enable use of the application for, there are two options, either all users or to the administrator. So when we choose administrators, this becomes the admin mode. So its purpose is to restrict the access to the application, allowing only users with administrative privilege to log in. So it is generally used during maintenance activities such as application updates, metadata changes, or data loads. Also to ensure data consistency by preventing user activity during critical operations, we put this application into admin mode. This second one here is all users. So this is basically to grant normal access to all users, allowing them to perform their regular tasks. This is default state. Applications are typically in user mode during the regular operations. Now when you're putting it in admin mode, you first have to confirm that the maintenance window with stakeholders are there. Then you have to inform the users in advance about the restricted access period, and you should always switch the application to admin mode during a scheduled time. So now here I have made it into admin mode. This is what is this ticket all about. Put application into admin mode. By default the application is in user mode, that is accessible to all the users, but I just explained that for critical operations or application updates, metadata or data changes, when we are launching EPM Automate, we ideally make this application into admin mode, because when this is in admin mode, the end users are logged out of the application, and although service administrator can still access it for maintenance. Now here we have put it into the admin mode and save this. That's it. So this is done, this has been saved. Now here I have logged my from Tabby was logged in. I logged out. Now let's try. Tabby is one user. He is not a service administrator. Let's see whether Tabby is able to log in or not. So see, Tabby is not able to log in into the application. This is right now showing that EPM. Yeah, so see, this is caused by scheduled EPM daily maintenance by unplanned outage. So for all these maintenance purpose also, the application we put them into the admin mode. So this was a simple ticket. So today we are just taking 3 of the tickets. That's it for today, and thanks for joining. If you have any queries, you may write to us at www.bispsolutions.com. Thank you.
Thank you.